Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to be with you. Another day is here, and as you know, there is something in store for you. Last week, we started talking about mentoring, and it is a very important topic. First of all, I want to thank those of you who had feedbacks, and also those who are here for the first time, just for you to know that our programs are built one on the other. So I always encourage people to listen and watch the previous programs so that you can follow through what we are doing. For those of you who are already here, you know, I would say call a friend to call a friend and share this link so that others can also benefit from what you receive here. Well, we're continuing on the topic of mentoring, and we have given a little bit of definition, but I will be going over some of the things that we talked about last week in more details, because last week was more like an introduction to the whole topic of mentoring. It is very important for you to know that mentoring is really, really needed. And especially when you come to understand the need for people to look at models and have people who are ahead of you that you can watch it. Someone said mentoring is what? A relational teaching method which relies heavily on modeling. A relational teaching method which relies heavily on modeling. And if you don't show the way, people will not know where to go. If you don't provide an example, people will not know, what to do. So when you are mentoring, you should remember that you are not only maybe speaking, but you are also showing by action. And action speaks louder than words. And many times you will see, especially with kids, children will repeat what they see you do, what they hear you say, without necessarily understanding what it is. So remember that it is very, very important to model the right patterns to people. So a model is also a mentor is also a model, is a coach, and is someone who probably, I would say, gives an order, and he motivates you through involving you in the things that is being done. A mentor becomes more like a partner, because whatever you are doing with your mentor, he speaks or she speaks the language of we, our, and it brings you into whatever is being done. It's not like you've registered in a school and you want to study, it's your own business, they teach you, then they test you, but a mentor is trying to reproduce in you the values that he or she has, which will enable you to become your real self. Remember the last week, I said a model, a mentor is not the one who wants you to become like him. Mentors don't reproduce replica. Although people who have been mentored by others, you can feel and see some, characteristics of the mentors in them. But a real mentor looks for what the destiny of a person is and tries to channel, chisel, encourage, and lead the person into becoming who he is. Definitely, if you are to maybe be a leader in a particular dimension, you cannot be mentored by a leader in another dimension to become who you want to be. So you and your mentor, there will be a lot of similarities. There will be a lot of stuff because you glean from them and they lead you in the way. And a mentor always has faith in the generation or the next person that he or she is mentoring. The mentor will treat you as a partner, and he will make sure that you are developing and eventually you become independent. Mentors don't create dependency. Mentors release people into their destiny. And it is very important for you to know that if you are under a good mentor, you would be improving, you would be progressing, you would be moving forward, and he will give you support that you need. A mentor will not say, this is the way, just go in it. But a mentor will walk you through the way He will guide you. He would always tell you, in case of any problem, you can get in touch. You can do this, you can do that. A mentor will listen to you. A mentor will provide you with structures that you need in order to get what you are building, be built in a very excellent way. A mentor will provide you with a safe environment. Safe environment is very important, because if you are being imparted, but the environment is toxic, it can affect everything that you do. So one of the things that mentors seek to do is to make sure you are in a safe environment. With mentorship, there is that trust, there is that transparency, and there is encouragement. A mentor would encourage you. A mentor would advocate for you in case you run into any issues. He doesn't necessarily come to blindly defend you, but a mentor would definitely stand behind you and help you to sometimes take on the bullets that you have to, receive, so that you can be maintained and then you can continue and be who you have to be. A mentor would be like a GPS to you, would show you direction, will offer you the maps, will show you what to do, when to do, how to do, with whom to do, where to do, and everything that comes with the doing of what you are on your track, to do. A mentor would expect you to bring positive results. So mentors don't have doubts in the people they are mentoring. Mentors have faith in the people they are mentoring. Even if they don't bring the desired results, they know that these people are on the way to achieving the results. Mentors will bring you challenges, and challenges that mentors will bring you, maybe some hard tasks, some difficult, issues to solve. It's not because they want you to, break, but rather they want you to be built strongly, with your roots deep, with your understanding widened, with your sight very, very, very broad. So a mentor will bring you challenges. He will not bring you trophies. A mentor will teach you how to get the trophies. He will not bring trophies for you. A mentor will not go and point the target and say, put the arrow in there. But a mentor will show you the target and put you at a distance and say, now stretch the bow and begin to hit your target. A mentor stretches you. A mentor makes you build up. A mentor establishes you in the things that you need to do. A mentor would encourage you to think positively. A mentor will make you be a can-do person. A mentor will let you, remove from your personal dictionary the words can't be done. A mentor will be one who tells you, yes, we can. Mentoring is such a beautiful thing. And if you don't have a mentor, you better begin thinking about getting one. Why? Because whatever you are on your way to do, I bet you someone has done it. Probably you may not know a person, but you can find out literature, books, videos, trainings, teachings on mentoring, like what you're hearing now. I am giving you general information, but within this information, you are finding clues as to how you can be the better you. So you can find mentors even through books. I have been mentored through people I have never, ever met. It is not the best, but in the absence of mentors that you can physically, connect with, you can start with the mentors who have provided their knowledge in books, in trainings, and, get what they have from there. And then you can imagine what would happen. The moment I started getting interested in people that seem to be in the way that I was going to, and are more experienced than me, and I started learning from them through a distance because I never know them, I just got books. It helped me to shape myself, and then eventually a mentor came into my life. and it made a whole difference. We will be continuing on this topic, but I want you to know we all need mentors. We all need people to say, hey, this is the way. So next time, before you get into, I would say, the international front, make sure you have people who have modeled the path for you. This has been your program, Today's Family. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and we are going to meet again next week. We're taking it step by step, and each step takes you closer to the destiny, to the destination, to the place where you are heading to. So never give up. Even if you don't have a mentor, now you know you can look for those who can be with you. Today's family program is here to help you in daily issues and to give you nuggets that will help you to become the best you. Till we see you again next week, take care of yourself and remember, mentoring is important. Bye-bye.